Introducing the Wise Owl Outfitters Compressible Foam Pillow, the perfect companion for camping or travel. It comes in 3 different sizes, so you can choose the perfect fit for you. Each size easily fits in its very own stuff sack, so you can keep it secure and take it with you anywhere. To use your pillow, simply remove it from the bag and allow it to fluff up. Throwing your pillow in the washing machine will allow it to fully expand, providing maximum support. Just follow the washing instructions on the tag inside the pillow. When you're done using your pillow, simply roll it up and put it back in its bag. We are Wise Owl Outfitters. Years ago, we set out to make an awesome, high-quality hammock at a reasonable price. Since our first hammock, we've expanded our product line to include many useful and eye-catching products under the Wise Owl brand. We're located in the beautiful state of Tennessee and take great pride in being a U.S. company. We strive every day to improve our design, technology, and processes to offer the best and most useful outdoor gear and products possible. We hope our gear can give you a reason to get outside and enjoy our beautiful world.
This one is just a special little thing I've been wanting because it's small yet really versatile. Chop with it, spear with it, use it to carve its own handle with its own paracord. You might need a solid little log. You can chop through things a little bit. This versatile tool costs around $20 and is available in either black or silver. Made from durable stainless steel, it comes with a carrying pouch you can attach to your backpack or belt. It is ideal for backpacking, camping, hiking, fishing, or other outdoor activities, and does well for your cutting and sawing needs.
My new Mir lunchbox. Now, if you're like me and you like to work outdoors, go hiking, this is a lunchbox for you. So the first thing that I noticed on it is its rugged fabric on the outside. This canvas is strong with the insulation on the inside, making sure that that doesn't rip. Get out there. The other thing I noticed is that they put the insulation on the top lid as well. They also place it on the smaller internal. Now, going back to the outside, some of the other features I've noticed is that this webbing, this has some solid construction on it. The plastic on here is pretty robust, and I don't think this is going anywhere, along with a very decently padded shoulder strap, which is gonna lead to some extra comfort. You have 2 drink holders on either side, and have them on both the outside, or we can put other things, if you want a compass or something in there. And then lastly, for some customization, they took a bright idea and put some Velcro on the front so we can put patches if you use this as maybe like a medical bag. All in all, I think this is a pretty outstanding bag, and I can't wait to take it out and try.